Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth and it's nice to be with you today. If you're new, welcome. Today we're working on a block right here called, I'm calling Fly Away. I used fat quarters and I was able to get 4 blocks from each fat quarter with a little bit left over that I included in the border here. We're just going to work on the block today using 2.5-inch squares and 2.5-inch half square triangles. And then if you stay to the end of the video, I have a sample using scraps. So let's get started. For our block today, we need 4 2.5-inch squares of your desired color, 4 of the background, and mine is white. And then we'll need 4 of the color. Mine are 3 inches. I'm going to be making some half square triangles with my larger squares. So these are 3 inches, and I need 4 of each to make 8 half square triangles. Now, if your half square triangles are too small after using my method, then you might want to just go up a notch on these squares. These are bigger than I need. But I'm going to sit down at the machine, and I always make my half square triangles this way. So if you're, have you been to my sewing room before, you know this is how I make my half square triangles. So I'm going to put a white background and my colored piece together, and I'm going to be drawing a line or eyeballing a line right here and then sewing on either side and then cutting that in half and trimming to 2.5 inches. And of course you can make your block any size, but all of the little squares, the 16 squares that we're going to end up with, the squares and the half square triangles, you're going to have 16 pieces. They could be different sizes. They don't have to be 2.5 inch, but that's what I'm doing today. So I'm going to sit down and I'm going to make my half square triangles. So I have all my half square triangles made, and now it's time to put the block together. And I am going to begin with my half square triangles. They run right through the middle, pointing at each other. And then my solids go right here. The background goes right through the middle, and then I have 2 more half square triangles that point to the center. So that's our layout, and I'm going to sit down at the machine and I'm going to sew all that together in rows, and then I'll put those rows together and we'll have a block.